Let's make the easiest binding ever. For that, I am just connecting all my pages together with putting a double-sided tacky tape at the back of the first page, then connecting it with the second one, then putting tape at the back of second one, then connecting it with the third one, and so on. When you are done with connecting all your 5 pages, it would look something like this. Now to make the binding and the front and the back cover, I'm taking this small piece of cardstock and making a pencil mark of 1/2 inch so that we know where to stick our binding piece. For complete measurements, you can read the captions down below and follow all the rules so that you get the free cutting guide. To make the closure for my album, I am using a black organza ribbon of 1 inch and I'm sticking it with the help of glue and the red tacky tape. Now we are just putting the front and the back cover with the help of the glue. Make sure when you're sticking the front and the back piece of cardstock, you are lining it up with the binding piece from the top. Now I have done the matting with a black cardstock, and then on top of that I am putting a beautiful pattern paper. This is going to be same for the front and the back. That's it, and this completes the base of our album. Now let's decorate the cover in the next video.